back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bonfire night vlog, and so this isn't the actual video, but I'm going to a bonfire night tonight. But when I post this will be 2 days late, so you know, because I post every Monday. But I really hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And by the way, this video is not going to be that long, and I really hope you enjoy watching it. And comment below if you really liked it, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye. So I'm all ready for fireworks. We're leaving in about 10 minutes, so I will do the vlogs when I'm actually at the fireworks, and I just can't wait to go and see the fireworks. I'm wearing my Primark hat, my Primark scarf, the outfit what I got, which is it's a dress actually, and like a shirt thing, jumper, and I'm wearing my shoes. These are my black ones from Primark. I got them about 2 years ago, and I love this outfit. And I'm wearing my comfy gloves, which were £5 for £1. And I can't wait to go to fireworks tonight. And it's like a scouts group in Kimberley, and I'm really excited to see how this video turns out. And if you know about my makeup, I'm wearing this copper gold, like orange lip gloss, lipstick. This is from NYX in Boots. And I'm wearing some green mascara. And I'm wearing some powder foundation. So I will vlog when I am at the fireworks. Bye! Look, Morgan! Fireworks going on! You're amazed by it, aren't you? Oh, it's so amazing. Where's that his price there? There, it's in my bag. Whoa, I think Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah! Watch it! Is there more?
Playing with his sparkler.
I like this one.
Okay.
Is that going? Hang on.
It is, yeah. Should be.
I don't think it is. Yeah, it is now. It's flashing. I can see it now. Yeah, it's going now. You have to light one of these then, Palmer.
Yeah.
Light one of these before that goes out. Otherwise, job to light. Well, they'll have a job lighting it.
That's gone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right. You hold that. I'll turn.
Parma.